Hi, let's make Indian-style kale stir-fry. First, wash kale thoroughly. Chop the stems and the leaves finely. We also need one medium-sized onion, chopped. Chopped garlic and green chilies. For tempering or tadka, heat 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil in a kadai. Once the oil gets hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Cover the kadai and let it splutter. I always cover the pan after adding the mustard seeds so they won't spill out. Add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Add chopped garlic and green chilies. Sauté until the garlic turns light brown in color. Now add chopped onion and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chopped kale stems and sauté for 2 minutes. Now cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in between. Add green peas and sauté for 1 minute. Now add chopped kale and sauté for 2 minutes. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Mix in between. Add salt to taste after the kale is cooked. Mix well. At last, add roasted and crushed peanuts. And some grated coconut. I'm using the frozen one, but if you can, use fresh coconut. Now, kale stir-fry is ready. Enjoy this with roti, chapati, or dal rice. Thank you for watching.